Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use the Auto Cutout feature in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your videos or just photos you like to edit. So for example, I'm going to open my project and there is a video. And I'm just going to remove the background using Auto Cutout, using remove auto remover. So tap on the clip and select cutout, and just click remove background to remove the background automatically. So which is this Auto Cutout that you can find on PC. Yeah, so you can select the cutout stroke also. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.